Shashi, could you just introduce this poem which you said of my village, Mhozo Ganv? What is it about? Can you just first tell us in brief?
This is the poem based on today's total urbanization is coming up, and my village, the originality of my village. There are a lot of things the activity was there in the village. That activity has stopped. The original activities, that plowing, in the farm work, and many things was there, folklore, that was going. So in this I have गांव, म्हज्या गांवान कोणीतरी पुरला एक टाइम बॉम्ब, मीन्स somebody has put, म्हज्या गांवान कोणीतरी टाइम बॉम्ब दवरला, केव्हा फुटात सांगंक येना. This poetry are in the Pernem style of the Konkani and Pernem style. माझ्या गांवान कोणीतरी पुरला एक टाइम बॉम्ब, केव्हा फुटात सांगंक येना ना, केव्हा फुटात सांगंक येना ना. येळ लागीं इल्लो आसा, वेळ लागीं इल्लो आसा, पूण कोणाकूच ठाव ठिकाणो ना. बट नोबडी नोज दॅट माय विलेज विल गो. म्हाजो गांव दब्याच्या दुदान इरगळत पडला. माय विलेज हॅज बीन डिसॉल्व in the tin powder mill.
So it's very artificial in that.
It is become artificial. गांवांतले राखणे गोरवां फोडूंक पाडे सोदतात. In village, what we do, basically, when I was in school, I used to go to taking my cattle for the grazing. So during that time, what we has to suppose this one cattle was likely to be, then we used to bring the meeting this bullock. So and we used to do this gorwa folowpache je kaam astale ni. We used to put the head, put both the hands to this cow, and then get them together. गोरवां पळोवंक भांगर पाडे सोदतात. कोणी आफयतीत म्हणून फडकुरेचो पाटो पातळोवन, कोणी आफयतीत म्हणून फडकुरेचो पाटो पातळोवन वाट बघतात. पूण गोठ्यांतले गवणीन दायीच ना, शेणी थापूंक शेण ना. पूण गोठ्यांतले गवणीन दायीच ना, शेण थापूंक शेण ना, आनी शेणान शिगमो धालो खेळपी किडेय ना.
It's a very interesting imagery in the sense that there's a shepherd waiting with his old tattered clothes, waiting for someone to approach him to do this job.
But there is no cattle in the cow shed. And because of there is no cattle, there is no shed, means cow dung. And because of there is no cow dung, they cannot put this sheni, which was used for our day-to-day on the floor, which was we are using for our cooking. Okay. So शेणान शिगमो धालो खेळपी किडे ना. म्हाजो गांव कार्रेगात काळोखान कुड्डो जाला. म्हाजो गांव कार्रेगात काळोखान कुड्डो जाला. घराचेर वाळना कराट. Because of nobody is staying there in my house now. This is what the thing was happen about my cattle. Now about my house, nobody is staying in my this.
The word carregat is typically Konkani.
It is come from the Portuguese.
Okay, it means
carregat. So
very dark,
very dark and darkness. It cannot.
You cannot get any bit.
Carregat chao. We said carregat chao. It is a carregat because we used to have this plain tea, black tea, which is a very carregat, very strong. That is carregat काळोखान कुट्टो जाला. घराचेर वाडला कराट, हातभर पांयभर. तेची पोना हुळहुळतात हुनीर आनी घोशी. माळ्याचेर पोट वाळटी लागल्या जुवांक, नांगराक आनी गुठ्याक.
So there is this imagery of grass growing over the village houses, and all wild animals kind of taking over, insects and animals taking over the place.
And all equipment of my farming has been gone off because of this insects and ants.
White ants.
माझ्या गांवान भंय झवऱ्या म्हणून मायेन उलो घालपी कोणूच ना. Giving the bad words, nobody is there to giving the bad words and come here.
In a village, I think addressing someone in a rough manner is a sign of endearment. In that
it is correct. That's what I'm.
So there's no one left who can greet you with so much familiarity.
Now everybody is in sophisticated.
I see.
Because bad word can be this good words also when you can use in good terms. So माहीन उलो घालपी कोणूच ना. म्हाजो गांव खडेन तरी पोटा पाडचून गेलो. Means my village is not behind the jobs, searching the jobs, youth from. रवला तो पोट टेकून न्हिदला.
While the village is lost to everyone searching for jobs, those who are left behind are also starving.
Struggling. म्हाजो गांव नाचण्याचे भाकरी सारको फुगाव होतो. Means it become like my नाचण्याची भाकर. Means you eat नाचण्याची भाकर, everything, your hungriness will go.
There was a time when the village was so rich and in its diversity.
Yeah. That time my grandmother used to have the one small one, and she used to have the bhakur on in the hand only like this. So that was gone. This is gone. And लहानपणान बोमांतल्यान तिजान चुकी त्या गांवांक vitamin लावचो पडटा. I mean, I had to give the vitamin to this man.
And I think the imagery here is of tisan, which is a very rustic crop.
Rustic.
Which is now lost.
Which we are using. We can use. Of nasne we are using ambil also. That was everything was gone. कारण तो दात्यानी भरडत आसा, which was a दात्या we used to have grinding stone. रोकडाच पीठ जातला. Like that, my village has gone and now it becomes
dissolved into
तेव्हा वेळ जावचे पयलीं टायम बॉम्ब भायर मारूंक जावो. तेव्हा वेळ जावचे आदी टायम भायर मारूंक जावो. म्हाजो गांव वाचूंक जावो. म्हाजो गांव वाचूंक जावो.
But Shashi, just one question before we wind up. Do many people in rural Goa feel a sense of loss about the way development, quote unquote, is happening? You know, mostly we feel that this is an urban phenomenon, the middle class doesn't like it. But in rural Goa also is the feeling similar, or?
It is also there. Everybody want to be, they want to come to the cities, but they don't want the city to come to the village. That is the two things which was happening in these days. That should be stopped.
We are also caught up in our own desires and needs which keep growing, but you know, we also realize that I think it destroys the lifestyle that we have.
If anybody comes from the city, everything, this type of things comes there.
Thanks.
Thanks.